You will never make it online. Has anyone told you that before? No matter what you do, each time someone tells you you will never make it, you get furious, nervous, tempted, and willing to prove them wrong. Most people got laughed at when trying to build a business online. You may be going through this right now, especially if you are not making any money with your online business. If someone tells you you will never make it and you want to prove him wrong using the wrong strategy, I'm sorry, you will not make it unless you follow some guidance established by experts who's been there and done that same thing that you want to do online. If you Google affiliate marketing for beginners, the blog post or the video you see will send you to Clickbank. That's where we all go to when we want to start affiliate marketing. You see, I'm not claiming to be an expert. Far from that. I'm not an expert. I'm just a random dude who met an expert and allowed him to help me succeed online. The first thing he taught me is to run from clickbank.com. He did the same thing years ago and he's now making 8 figures a year. This message is about you, showing to those who want to see you fail that you are capable of something good enough to change your life. That's why I want to share with you the two-step system that my mentor, the super affiliate, used to become the third top highest earner in internet marketing niche. And believe me, it's not what you think. Today, he's hosting a free training where he reveals why most people will never make a good living online. I know you probably won't like the truth, but during the training, he's going to give you the opportunity to partner with him, which will instantly put you in a different category of online marketers. If you are someone like me who want to send a message to those who want to see you fail, that you are capable of something good enough to change your life, register here to learn more about what Igor Keifet does online to be successful and how you can duplicate the system for yourself. You will always have a choice to make. Even in this case, you can go back to your old life, continue living the way you were living before, or take action today to attend the free training, which doesn't cost you anything but has the power to change your life. Register now by going to willvillage.com and I will see you inside the training. Thank you for watching. Ciao.